been some recent floods in the Garland area, as you can see. And let's talk about that.
Floods are large amounts of water in one area that affects the ecosystem. This could be a rainfall of dams breaking.
Sup? Floods usually happen in floodplains, which are low-lying areas, coastal areas, and Bangladesh. Cause that place is weird.
Fox! It could wash plants away or bring new seeds. Of course, some plants are fine.
Floods can also destroy habitats and bring diseases and hurt animals with falling trees and stuff. I mean, just look at that one guy.
For a short period of time, the fauna might need medical attention and have a lack of food and clean water. Over a period of time, habitats will be rebuilt and plants will grow back. If it is back enough, a species will have to regrow. And that's flooding!
I've been waiting so long for my revenge.
Don't get your nasty hits. And back to your regularly scheduled program. No. And my name is Jessica. I wonder what a fox say is.
What does the fox say?